Okay, so good morning, students. So now we will start with this part three, and let's see what we have discussed in the part one and two. So we have started with this network, and we have discussed about the two system, what is network, what are advantage, disadvantage. We have already discussed in part one. You can see the video, and after that we have discussed about the components of computer network. So these are the components, all that we have discussed in the previous videos. So after that we have discussed the communication channel that we have wireless media, and then we have this copper twisted cables, so software and this protocol we have seen. Okay, now we have started with this types of networks. So in types of networks, we have basically how the networks are connected, how the computer systems are connected. So network can be a small group of linked computer to a chain of hundred of computer of different types spread across the world. We all know that there are lots of computers in the whole world. So how these computers can be connected? So this is the network. So this network varying size, complexity, and geographical spread. So first we have this LAN, that is local area network, and after that these all full forms are important, and definitely we will discuss about the difference also. So MAN is this metropolitan area network, that is a MAN. WAN is wide area network. Fourth one is also there, that is a PAN, that is personal area network. So what are these? What are the range of these? So we will discuss one by one. So types of network based on communication channels. So we have wireless and wired communication channel also. So let's see one by one. So first is this LAN, local area network. I hope you all know that. You all have seen this also. So small computer network that are confined to a local area like office. For in office we are using this local area network. So or for a building, for a factory, for a university, and for a college, this is all called known as that is local area network. The main purpose of LAN is to share resource. Okay, if you want to share a resource, like if you want to share a printer, if you want to share your data, you can also share, so hardware, printer, etc. So on most LAN cables are used to connect the network interface card. So basically you need this NIC, that is network interface card, if you want to make this. Now you can see one switch is a device that we are using. If I want to connect, router is also there. With the help of router LAN cable is there. ठीक है, internet यहाँ से provide होगा. LAN cable के through मैंने यहाँ पे printer भी connect कर दी है. With the help I have also connected laptop, I have also connected some computers. Okay, so इसकी जो range है हम last में difference देखेंगे. Next we have this metropolitan area network. Okay, basically it refers to as a city. If you want to connect more than one city, okay, office building connect करनी है और किसी और city में आपके कोई और university है, and if you have any government building that you need to connect all this, now with the help of metropolitan area network you can connect all this. After that, wide area network, so that is spread across the countries. If I want to connect two countries like India, Malaysia, and lots of countries I want to connect, so I can directly connect with the help of this wide area network. So this difference is highly important. Okay, so you can see कुछ parameters मैंने लिए हैं. Area covered, जो कि आपको right side में दिख रहे हैं. You can see on this area covered. After that, error rates कितने हैं PAN में, LAN में, WAN में और MAN में. After that, transmission speed and networking cost. So this network and this parameter is also there. So after that we have this PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. So this personal area network. So personal area network में area कितना cover होता है हमारा? Only up to 10 meter. Okay. You all know that we are using personal area network like Bluetooth range. These are all we are using. This is all personal area network. If I want to share a simple image, I can directly share with the help of WhatsApp. But we can, if you're using a Bluetooth, that some range is also there. So after that 10 meter, it will not work. So in LAN, the range is we have this up to 10 kilometer. Okay, LAN we have discussed about the office building and all. Okay, and after that we have discussed about the MAN, that is in a city. So this its range is 100 kilometer. And WAN in for WAN there is no entire country or there is no upper limit. Okay, for this wide area network. After that, we have the error rate. अब आप error rate बताओ when you are very close to devices are very close, that means the error rate is lowest. Okay, after that if the two device in LAN is also the distance is okay, so that means the error rate is lowest, but in MAN the distance increases. Now if the distance increases, it means that the error rate is moderate. After that in WAN the error rate is highest. Now this is a wide area networks. Okay, the distance between the two devices highest. Now it means that the error जितना error जो होगा आपका वो highest होगा इसमें, एरर के चांसेस सबसे ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव ट्रांसमिशन स्पीड. तो पैन में तो ट्रांसमिशन स्पीड सबसे ज़्यादा होगी है बिकॉज द टू डिवाइसेस आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. In LAN also the speed is high, but in MAN the moderate speed reduces because the distance increases. जैसे जैसे distance बढ़ेगा students, now you can see in MAN if the distance increases, now the transmission speed also become moderate. Now at the end WAN you can see that the distance between the two devices are highest. Now that means that distance increases, the transmission speed is also low. Now after that we have the networking cost. So for PAN there is no networking cost because you need only two devices, two mobile devices you need. After that we have LAN, that is also inexpensive, it's not very expensive. After that we have MAN, that is moderately expensive equipment. Okay, that is a metropolitan area network. After that the WAN, that is a wide area network. This is very expensive. okay, because the distance between the two devices are highest. Okay, now let's see, based on the component roles, two things are also there, that is peer-to-peer network and client-server network. So types of networks, basically it means role played by a network computer in network operation. Peer-to-peer network means, in its simplest form, a peer-to-peer network is created when two or more pieces are connected and share resources without going through a separate server computer. Okay, basically each computer is connected to other computer. Now you can see this is peer-to-peer based network. This each computer is connected with other computer. This each computer is connected with other computer. This is a peer-to-peer based network. Now the next we have this server based network. Okay. So now let's see what is this client server network. So a computer network in which one centralized powerful computer is called a server. आप बैंक में देखते हो बैंक का एक सर्वर होता है and all the computers are connected with this server only. This is a hub to which many less powerful personal computers or workstation called clients are connected. So एक बैंक के सर्वर से, that is a dedicated server. Okay, all the data are come from this server only and it connects to the all devices. Okay, so this is a dedicated server. In client server architecture, dedicated server, there are like specially assigned for the servers. Okay, you all know that in banks also. If I take one more example, so if you have any software that is installed on a server only, so one server is there. Okay, and in that, okay, in that, okay, so this is all about this part. Okay, and then after that we will discuss about the things in the next part. So that's all for today. So